Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to see about StarryNift Airdrop. So actually this particular project is backed by Binance Labs. So if you interact with this platform and earn some point, you might be eligible for the future airdrop if they provide any airdrop. And you would have known about this alt layer recently got listed in Binance, no? So people who holded this OOT NFT holders, no, they got literally 30k above alt layer token, okay, through the airdrop. So those kind of airdrop opportunity, if you don't want to miss, no, make sure to watch this video, because here also people who are holding NFT holders, active users and eco supporters will get the airdrop allocation, okay, and literally 10% of their tokens for the initial airdrop, so which is great. And the code green NFT is actually playing a vital role here, okay. So in this video we're going to see about all these things, how you can participate in this airdrop. So make sure to watch this video till the end, guys. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button and continue watching it. By clicking the like button means a lot to me, guys, and share it with your friends. If you can't share it with your friends, all you have to do is just click one like and watch, okay. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. And if you haven't tried this over wallet, no, so make sure to try this airdrop, which is legit one. And another one is Microsoft backed airdrop, okay, so star airdrop. So make sure to try this also in case if you haven't. And without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. You'll be able to find all the necessary link inside my Telegram channel. So first thing, just click on the link, it will take you here. And after you come here, we just need to connect our wallet. Just click on MetaMask and our MetaMask will pop up. You gotta need some BNB balance in your wallet, okay. So just connect your wallet first of all. So after you connect your wallet, keep your network in BSC network, okay. So just do the sign. So once you do the sign, you'll be able to see the citizen here, okay. So just click on the citizen. So first thing, we need to mint our ownership here, okay. So just click on the mint, so that we'll be able to mint this ownership of our wallet. So we're going to pay the gas fee of 0.19 cent you need to have in BNB, okay. So just do the transaction. So once the transaction got done, here you can see congrats, grab your citizenship pass, okay. So we successfully grabbed this pass now, and if you click on the profile, you will be able to see your profile, okay. So this is our personal space. So we can actually create our own space, okay. So just create a space and template, and then the space will open, okay. So we can mint our own thing. For example, here you can see this is our space, okay. So we can just click on publish, and we need to give a name for our space, okay. So I'm just gonna give my channel name and my channel description, and I'm gonna launch it, okay. So once you click on the launch, your space will be successfully launched and you'll be able to preview it, okay. So if you click on preview in your StarryNift, you'll be able to see, okay. So this is how it will be. So you can move here and there, and your address will be shown on top of you, okay. Just come back and leave, okay. So once you successfully created your space, no, just click on your profile again and go here. You'll be able to see your profile here, okay. If you want to create a new space, you can again create it. So now what you need to do is just we need to update our details, okay. So first thing, just give the username and connect your social links, okay. So Discord link, Instagram, and you will be having your referral link also. So you gotta complete these settings, okay, and then finally click on save. And now what you can do is on top you can see earn, okay. So just click on the earn, and here we'll be able to do the daily task and earn the points, okay. So this is where the first thing, just come here and click on everyday check-in, okay. So daily streaks will be there. Just come inside the platform and click on collect, okay. So once you click on the collect, it will open, MetaMask will open. Just click confirm, and then it will be done, okay. And now here you can see, guys, the transaction got done and will be successfully collected it, okay. So after the time runs out, come back here again, and you will be able to sign in again, okay. And next thing, here you can see daily events are there, okay. So you can actually say GM in any 3D space with the world channel, so that you'll be able to get 1 point. And here follow at least one user, so that you'll be earning 5 points. And invite at least 10 friends to visit any of your published space, then you'll be earning 10 points. Explore at least 5 distinct space created by different people, okay. So explore means just go inside different people who created the space, no? So just go and do the explore, and so that you'll be earning 20 points extra. So firstly I'll show you on demo with this say GM in any of the 3D space. Okay, it's nothing but just click on this Starryverse. You'll be able to find lot of space will be available. Okay, so for example click on any of the space, and once you go inside, what you can do is here you can see message. Okay, so just type GM. Okay, so this is what you need to do, just type GM and send the message. And we need to here you can see guys, after we send the GM, our one task got done. Okay, so guys, now we have completed the first task. So now what you need to do is just follow at least one user and invite 10 friends of yours. Okay, so just invite them and tell them to visit your space, and after that you need to explore at least 5 distinct spaces created by 5 different users. Okay, so now in order to follow the first one, just click on this leave. So just come back here and click on this earn points. So just scroll down, here you can see the first GM task we have done it successfully, and the next task is just follow at least one user. Okay, so just scroll down and click on this follow, and after you do follow them, here you can see even this task will be getting done if you just do the refresh. And after that just invite 10 people to visit your published space. Okay, so and finally explore at least 5 distinct spaces created by 5 different users. Okay, so here you will be able to find the different user. So just go inside one user and visit their profile, so that you will be able to explore their spaces. Okay, so this person's space looks like this. Just do explore it. So here you can see guys, our follow at least one user task got done. So you can type something if you want GM or something like that. Just come back again. So we have left this task. Okay, so like this, go inside 5 different people space and then just do the follow and come back. Okay, so like that, just go right now we visited the second person's space. Okay, and like this you just go inside this and this person and this person and this person, like that go inside 5 different people and explore their space, so that you will be able to get this 20 more points. Okay, so try to come inside every single day for the daily check-in. So every single day if you are coming, the first day I got 2, and the next day I'll be getting 4, and the third day I'll be getting 6, in the 5th day, in the 6th day and all I'll be getting 12 points and 15 points. Okay, so every single day just come here and do the daily check-in, so that you'll be earning some points. And here you can see guys the total reward that I have earned. Okay, so like this every single day come and earn your points, so that when the time they provide any airdrop in the future, you will be eligible for that. Okay, so I told you now about the NFT. The code green NFT will play a significant role in the model algorithm. So in case if you want to get this NFT, no, so here itself you can see in the Starryverse, if you just click on that, you can see the shop. Okay, so just click on the shop and here is the marketplace. Here you'll be able to get the NFTs. Okay, so guys, must try this airdrop guys, because the only reason is Binance Lab have invested, and Coinbase have invested, OKX have invested. So it could be a huge one, and this particular project will get listed in all these exchanges since it got listed there. I mean, since these people have invested in this project. So must try this airdrop guys, and I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button. In case if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.